This what you guys anticipated? No?
You got him marked for a second?
Surprisingly, no.
Huh?
Surprisingly, no.
All right, Warren.
Columbus Police, Tech 133.
Hi, I am on a run on the Olentangy River Trail, and there is a man on the bank who is half in the water and half out of the water, and he's kind of playing in the dirt. I think he's kind of effed up on something, but I just wanted to report it.
All right.
Can you walk over this way?
Yeah.
We'll do it.
Sure.
Awesome.
54 years old, you know what I mean?
Yeah, come on over here.
No nostalgia.
Yeah, we got you. Come on. Hey, come this way.
Get a medic.
Can you come on? Can you get yourself out and come over here?
Yeah, I can do it.
Let's
Can
do
you
it.
give me the leash?
I don't have a lead. Can you come on up out of there?
Yeah.
Well, come on, man.
How'd you get stuck down there?
Manscaping, he said.
Stuck in the mud.
Yeah. Can you get up out of there?
Yes, sir.
Well, let's do it. You need a stick to pull out? Come on. Here, you want to grab that? Come on, pull.
Can you stand up?
Hey. Can you get up out of there?
Yep.
Well, then let's do it. Pull yourself up. Come on. Come on. Can you stand up?
Yes, sir.
Here. Hey, hold on a minute. All right, boy, come on. Need a little bit of help.
I got another gloves, dude.
Not on me.
Hell.
A little bit of help.
Oh my goodness.
Not on me. All right, well, we're getting there. But a little bit more.
Didn't see this coming on a Sunday morning.
All right.
Take a breath.
Do you need a medic?
Yeah, get a medic.
Yeah.
3-1.
What's your name?
Go ahead.
Yeah, we are on the trail directly behind chemical abstracts. And, can we get a medic?
Oh,
D-O-W-E?
no,
Okay.
BOW, Tech for California.
It also looks like he's had some chest leads on before.
Just go for a swim
recently.
or what?
Yeah. I was looking for the
Okay.
pool that was over on Maynard.
So,
The 25
TV
cent
maybe?
pool.
You missed it just a little bit.
I know.
Closed right now as well, Warren.
Warren, what's your B-O? You said B-O-W?
You got our. I can't answer that. I have no
Warren,
idea.
Andrew,
Okay.
Bo.
Hey,
You
Warren,
can go
what's
lead
your
him in if you
birthday?
want.
Huh?
You want to
I did not see this coming on a Saturday or Sunday morning. Wow.
Jeez.
Wow.
Yeah, he is something. So he's been a nuisance here before.
He's got a bunch that looks like previous leads. You know where you get that stick 'em when they take off the leads.
Yep.
Goodness gracious. Now we got medics coming some back down here.
Fire doesn't need a boat response, do they?
No, we got him out. He was stuck in the mud. We got him out of that. But if they can just come to the rear parking lot of Chemical Abstract. Hey, bud. We got a guy that's stuck in the mud down here that's passed out. Can we get a water for him? You mind giving us one or? Huh? No, just thank you. Got an ambulance coming.
Hey, Warren, you want water?
Sure. Thank you, man. That's very nice of you, man.
Yeah.
Do I owe you $1?
No, you're good, buddy.
You can sit up if you want, bud. That's fun. Whoops.
I think you got a grant.
Well, here's what we're going to do. We'll go where they can take you. How's that sound?
That sounds great.
Yep. Maybe get some more water too. Kind of dehydrated.
Just a little.
Here's another water. If you want it.
I don't know if he wants
You want any more, buddy?
Yeah,
Are you good for now?
it's a long way to Mongolia.
Yeah, we're not going to
If
go.
I was
that
gonna
far.
go there,
Keep it.
you go east, west,
Whoa,
north,
whoa, whoa,
south.
Hold on,
That's litter.
we're conscientious here about the environment.
See,
I'll forget in a minute because I'm going to up in the water myself.
You can just lay it beside you
Yeah.
if you want some more.
I don't want litter.
Okay, let go of it. You want me to take it? Thanks.
In Canada, litter fines $2,000.
Hey.
Go Bucks.
No
Huh.
problem.
How about those Cleveland Browns?
Yeah. We'll get them next year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how they do in the draft. I didn't see.
Who? The Browns?
Yeah,
They did all right.
good. Quarterback. Who's that? Deshaun Williams?
Deshaun Watson's still there.
No, Watson's dangerous.
I thought
The
he was
third string guy's like 16.
I'm not sure.
16.
I'm not sure if
like
they
third string.
drafted anyone or not. For,
I don't
Yeah,
for-
Baker Mayfield, maybe he'll get back after the Buccaneers.
I like Baker Mayfield.
Baker's
playing?
pretty good.
Still playing?
Yeah.
Bucks playing for the. He's got a big
He's playing
contract
for the
with Bucks.
Buccaneers.
Warren, how did you get down in this water?
30.
I went to Ohio
Go ahead.
State. My dad was a pro.
He's been stuck in the mud. He doesn't know how long, and we just dragged him out of the river.
Okay.
It's not what you expect on a Sunday morning. This is really bizarre.
Alright, is he in here?
No, he's just still down near the water.
He doesn't know how long he was in the river?
That's what he was saying to the other officers. I mean, we got a call from people running on the other side. Saw like a male passed out. Yeah, this is not one of your regular runs here.
It is for the Royals record for 8 bars.
Hey Warren, these are the Columbus Fire Department here. Medics.
Trying to get some
we're
sun.
in
It's
the
like
water.
cold and it's
I've got to drag you out of the water.
He's right there.
cold,
Stuff.
hot, cold, you know.
Warren. Hey,
Yes,
Warren,
sir.
what were you doing in the water? Warren Bowen.
Maybe. There used to be a pool on the end of Maynard.
You swimming?
Maynard Lake
How about we get you up and get
swimming pool used to be a quarter.
Warren wants to listen to this. Let's get you up and get you checked out. Yeah. All right. Good idea. 2, 3, up. Come on. I'm not gonna try to turn you.
Can you stand, buddy?
You gotta use your
Yeah.
legs, man.
Let's stand up. That'll work better, I
Can you
think.
push?
Here,
Can we
get behind you. As soon as you get them out here. we'll-
Get your legs up a little bit. Warren. Yeah. Go. All right.
All right, Warren, sit up here.
On your feet.
Now do a sit up. Ready? Come on, like all that football workout you used to do.
Whoa.
Whoa, no.
Hold on. Take a step back. Don't go forward.
Hey, watch this big stick right here.
Move your left foot first. Go this way. Try to get up on the top of the bank. Go left. Go with the fire.
Take some steps.
You got him marked for a second?
Yeah,
That's only short of it.
no. Huh? Surprisingly, no.
All right, Warren,
I'm not laughing
Yes,
at
sir.
you, Warren.
You
I'm
ready?
laughing at the whole
Yes.
situation.
we're going to the training camp right now.
All right.
We're gonna do some hill runs. You ready?
Look, I'm gonna try to hold his pants.
Let's go.
Go, take some
Right
steps.
foot.
Hey, we got it.
Ready? Right, left, right,
Yeah, John, you got
left, right, left. There you go. Watch your face.
I'm just up in the water. I didn't end up in the water.
Come around here. We're going this way.
This is your distance.
Oh,
right,
watch
John?
your tree. Other side.
Warren, you're doing good.
Warren.
This way, buddy.
Breath, man. You take anything?
He's been breathing really heavy.
I gotta go home.
Well,
How about we take you to the hospital, get you checked out? Come on.
Sounds good. St. Anne's?
Well, we'll go to the closest one here.
Here, let go of that tree.
Looks like he just got out of it. You see what I'm saying? The elites.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. 1, 2. We got to go. This has got a fence around it, I think. No? All right.
Yeah, there's a little
We're going to have to.
screen there.
I ain't no girl.
I don't think Warren's going to be able to step
Can you
over
step,
that.
yeah, can you step it down or something?
Sorry.
All right, buddy, you're doing great.
You doing okay, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's go
Yeah.
big steps. Right foot. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Now we're on steady ground. This is a workout.
Can you not put my pants in my ass?
They're up.
Yeah, I got you.
He's
I
got you.
I got you, George.
Doing good. We're almost there.
You got it, John?
Come on. I need a first responder letter from you first. Yeah, I got it.
Warren, where do you live at right now?
Columbus, Ohio.
43215.
Hey, you okay?
43215.
All right, Warren. Thanks. All right. Try to take some deep breaths.
He's done. He's done. Okay.
You're not gonna kill me, are you?
No, we're gonna put you on this cot and get you to the hospital.
Get you over there.
Hell yeah.
Got your
You
breath?
able to? You ready? When you get your breath and ready to go, let's go. You think you can make it, or you want to rest?
I want to rest. I'm 54.
How about we rest on the cot? We got 10 steps. Ready?
1.
Right to that cot. There you go.
All right. Which side you want to butt? Sit right in the middle, and your hands going right there. Turn around towards us. Turn around towards me, buddy. Step. Move your feet. There you go. Okay, let's sit down.
Bring your legs up here.
What happened to your other shoe there, Warren?
I'd say it's down in the mud.
Down in the mud?
Stuck in mud.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Well, that's good. Somebody.